Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yuli Mulyawati, and I'm honored to present our study entitled Need Analysis for Developing a Model to Enhance Critical Thinking in Elementary Social Studies Learning. In the background, the Merdeka curriculum emphasizes inquiry, reflection, and problem solving. However, learning remains teacher-centered and textbook-driven. Students show low level of critical thinking, C4, under C6 in Bloom taxonomy. There is a need for innovative digital learning tools such as a module. In Indonesia Social Studies, teaching in elementary school remain relatively focused on remember, fact, and definition. Our study across 3 public schools in Bogor reveal the while more than half of the students can recall fact, only 15% can analyze cause and effect, 8% can evaluate behavior, and just 5 can propose creative solutions. This indicates a serious gap between what the Merdeka curriculum envisioned, inquiry-based and reflective learning, and what actually happens in classroom dominated by lectures and the rote learning. Most teachers still really textbook and lecture only about 22 of students participate in hand-on activities such as mapping their neighbor or discussing community issue. Digital media is really used. Less than half of the students have ever used technology in learning social study. Teachers acknowledge the importance of digital learning, but many of them say they feel unprepared or lack the technical support and time to develop interactive material. Our approach is grounded to constructivism learning theory, emphasizing that knowledge is built through interaction, reflection, and active engagement. Where students are only memorizing content, they miss the chance to develop metacognitive skill and real-world reasoning. We also draw on culturally responsive teaching, which connect to abstract social concepts to student our cultural practice and community life. When learning feels relevant and personal, curiosity and empathy grow to essential trait to critical thinking. For essential need for a model development, from the analysis, they identified for crucial need for developing the model. One, interactive inquiry. Interactive inquiry-based design to move students from passive learning to active exploration and questioning. Local culture and context integration to make learning meaningful and emotional engaging through familiar example. 3. Digital interactive and multimedia to maintain attention to accommodate diverse learning preference through visual, animation, and gamified quizzes for high-order thinking scope to guide students gradually from remembering to analyzing, evaluating, and creating. This need from the conceptual foundation of our proposed digital learning model. Research object to analyze learning needs based for a model development to identify the current learning condition and the challenge to demand the required future of an e-module for critical thinking assessment. Research methodology, we conducted the descriptive qualitative study in 3 public elementary school in Bogor, SDN Bayangkari, SDN Polisi 2, and SDN Lawang Gintung 1. Our participants were 60 students aged 10 years and 6 social studies teachers. We use 4 main methods: classroom observation, teacher interview, student questionnaire, and data triangulation through qualitative and quantitative analysis. Okay, finding voice from the classroom. One teacher told us the students remember the fact but struggle to explain why they are important. A student said, I know what tolerance means, but I cannot explain why I matter. And another teacher shared, I want to make learning more interactive, but I don't know where to start. This voice revealed both readiness and frustration, but students and teachers want to transformation but lack the tool and framework to make it happen. The e-model we propose is designed to fill that gap. This lecture not talking the minute learning, 58% recall fact, 61% understand, only 15% analyze, 8% evaluate, 5% create. Limited use of digital media, 40% of students, teacher face challenge in design digital skill and contextualization. Implication and contribution. The study contribute theoretical, practical, and policy-wise. Theoretical is validates the integration of constructivism, cultural responsive, and multimedia learning is foundation for digital pedagogy. Practically, I provide real classroom data to guide to a model design that this teacher capacity and student cognitive needs. And from a policy perspective, is to support the Merdeka curriculum goals of contextual technology support and differentiation learning. Conclusion, build analysis, evaluation, inclusion. Our findings show that Indonesian elementary students have strong potential for analytic and evaluative thinking, but current teaching method limit that growth. Teachers are motivated to innovative, yet that needs structure, culturally sensitive, and technology-enhanced support system. By developing an module that integrates inquiry-based learning, local culture, multimedia tool, and scaffold critical thinking, we can transform social study from a subject memorizing into meaningful exploration of citizenship and community life. The goal is clear: to help students move from remembering to reasoning, from repetition to reflection, and from learning about society to think critically when the society. Acknowledgement, special thanks to SDN Bayangkari, SDN Polisi 2, SDN Lawang Gintung 1 in Bogor, Universitas Negeri Jakarta for research support, all teachers and students who participate in this study. Thank you very much for your attention. I would like to discuss further during and QR session. Thank you very much. Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.